Hey guys, how's it going? How to use a single name on Facebook. So basically what you're going to do, go back to your screen. Go ahead and make sure that you updated your Facebook to the latest version. Go back to Facebook. And basically what I'm going to do, click the menu at the bottom right. And then next, go ahead to the settings gear at the top right. Click the account center or meta. And then click the first option, profile or profiles. And as you can see, my Facebook and Instagram profile are intertwined. So they're linked. So I'm gonna just click the first option right here and click name, right? And basically I could just remove the last name and hit done. And as you can see right here, I cannot click review changes because I need to add last name, right? For some regions, you actually can add a single name, but for some other users, you cannot. So how do we navigate that? So go back, right? As you can see right here, my Facebook name is individual, right? I can just hit right here, save, and I have a singular name. This is only for the Facebook account only, not Facebook and Instagram. So as you can see right here, this is like single account on Facebook, right? So I can just add individual or single name. So in case that didn't work out for you, what you're gonna do, go back to the main profile, click the menu at the bottom right. So scroll a little bit down to the help and support, click the help center, and then you'll be redirected to the Facebook help center. What you're gonna do, just type right here names on Facebook, and then hit return or just hit at the bottom right to just see the search results. Click the second article right here, right? Scroll a little bit down if you want to know more about how to confirm your name and using your Facebook name. And if you want to change your name or adding additional name, you could also change your name or add additional names like nickname, maiden name to your profile. Keep in mind that you cannot change your name more than once in 60 days. So scroll a little bit down. You're gonna find a question that goes along. What you can do if you have one name instead of first and the last name. Go ahead and click this article, right? This article for people with the one name instead of first and last name. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find or I'm gonna submit a form, right? A form. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here. If you already have an account, you can request a one-word name, mononym by completing that, changing your form or changing your name. And then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just enter the first name in the last name, okay? And you have the option to upload a government ID or other forms of ID such as library card, utility bill, etc. to help us verify your new name. And add the documents right here and enter the contact email so they can reach out to you. So hit send and basically gonna be able to use a singular name after verifying that this is actual case, like I only have a singular name on Facebook. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.